Sid founded fishes. 8th place, Sydney Axe with nails. So it's time now for the merge. Team with nothing, team animal all by yourself. So you can do the best. 7th place, Richard. 6th place, Earl. 5th place, Nico. 4th place, Kate Tabios. 3rd place, Aliyah Lacuna. Runner-up, Patricia. Winner, Trinity. Let's clap for them. Let's clap for Patricia and Trinity 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. World Drama Metro Manila. 17th place, Althea Loving Elephants. 16th place, Alexi No Selfish People. 15th place, Kyla No Selfish People. 14th place, Trinity Loving Elephants. 13th place, Claudette No Selfish People. 12th place, Marcus Loving Elephants. 11th place, Kate Loving Elephants. 10, Sydney No Selfish People. 9, Althea No Selfish People. Because the 70th place is now Micaela. 70th place now Micaela, then Althea came back. So Althea is 9. Merge team. 8th place, Aliyah. 7th place, Anna. 6th place, Mary. 5th place, Nico. 4th, Joshua. 3rd, Earl. Runner-up, Margot. Winner, Richard. Let's clap it up. This is now World Drama Calabarzon Tour. 17, Alexi Cala. 16, Sydney Barzon. 15, Marcus Barzon. 14, Kate Barzon. 13, Claudette Cala. 12, Patricia Barzon. 11, Aliyah Barzon. 10, Crystal Cala. Several French team. 9, Althea. 8, Earl. 7th, Joshua. 6th, Kyla. 5th, Margot. 4th, Micaela. 3rd, Isa. Runner-up, Richard. Winner, Nico. World Drama Luzon Tour. 15th place, Joshua. 14th place, Alexi. 13th place, Kate. 11th first. Okay, that's not tricky. 15th place, Joshua. 14th place, Alexi. 13th place, Kate. 12th place, Divine. 11th place, Margot. 10, Richard. 9, Isa. 8th place, Sydney. 7th place, Earl. 6th place, Marcus. 5th place, Anna. 4th place, Trinity. The final 3. 3rd place, Salis. The runner-up and the winner, Reynald Lozada is USA to United States of